So you're ready to sign up to the SKAi1 merchant program? In this video, we'll walk through the full online sign-up process a business follows to become a SKAi1 merchant and to step into the future of shopping, step by step, from the first page to activation. You'll see exactly what information is needed, how long it takes, and how the one-time fee and prepaid top-up work, so you can complete the process with confidence. SKAi1 is designed to make onboarding fast, digital, and transparent, with no paperwork and no surprise invoices. Let's start with what you need before beginning the registration. Before you start your SKAi1 merchant registration, you only need a few simple things, but they're important. First, the person completing the process should be the business owner or an authorized manager. This is the person who can agree to the terms and activate the account on behalf of the company. Second, you'll need your business details. If your company is already on Google Business, the registration becomes much faster. SKAi1 can automatically import your business name, address, and category with just one click. If you're not on Google yet, that's fine. You can also use your business tax number and enter the details manually. Third, you'll need the owner's contact details and a payment method, an email address to receive the verification code, and a card or payment method for the activation fee and the first top-up. Fourth, if someone has introduced you to SKAi1, you may have received a SKAi1 merchant code. This code gives you a reduced activation price, and so your account is correctly linked to all available benefits and discounts. The system helps you not to forget it, because the voucher field is visible in several steps of the registration flow. With these 4 things ready, you're ready to get started. So now let's look at the online sign-up page together. Now let's jump into the actual registration. This is the SKAi1 merchant login and sign-up page, the starting point for every new merchant. If you already have an account, you would simply log in here. But for new merchants, the process begins by selecting Sign Up Here at the bottom. The entire registration is designed to be quick and guided. Every screen will tell you exactly what's needed, and you can move through each step at your own pace. So let's start the sign-up flow together. The first step asks for the basic information of the business owner or authorized manager. These details are important because this person is the one who will manage the SKAi1 merchant account. Here, you will enter your first and last name, your mobile number, and the email address you want to use for your merchant profile. Make sure this email is active because you'll receive a verification code in the next step. Next, you'll create a password for your account. If you were invited to SKAi1 with a merchant code, you can add it here. This ensures your account is set up correctly to receive all available benefits and discounts. Once everything is filled in, hit Next. You will then receive a one-time verification code to your chosen email address. This step is important. It confirms that the person registering the business is the right person to do so, and it ensures all future communication, including invoices, goes to the correct contact. Simply enter the code from the email to continue. Next, you'll choose what type of business you are registering. You can select a physical store, an online store, or both. Just a quick note, an online store means customers can actually complete a purchase online, not just visit a website. Now you'll add your business details. If you're listed on Google Business, this part is very fast. SKAi1 can pull in your name, address, and business category automatically. If you're not on Google Business, you can enter the details manually instead. Either way is fine, the flow is the same from here. As part of the registration, you'll be asked to provide your business tax number so the business can be validated. This is simply to confirm that you are joining the platform as a genuine business that is eligible to be on the SKAi1 app. Before activation, you'll get a chance to review the details you've entered. You will also see the terms and conditions and privacy policy available directly within the platform. There's no paperwork to download and no contracts to print. Everything is handled online. Now you'll see the one-time activation fee of only €499. Currently, we have a promotion. So, when you insert a valid SKAi1 voucher code, a €100 discount will be applied and you will pay only €399. You'll also see the first prepaid top-up options. Don't worry, this is not a fee, but is a prepaid balance that sits on your account and is used to support cashback and marketing activity once you're live. With a valid SKAi1 merchant code, the €9.90 monthly service fee is currently free until April 2026. Starting from April, SKAi1 AI analytics and insights will also be available, giving merchants even more deeper insights for making the decisions that matter. Finally, you'll complete payment for the activation fee and the first top-up. Once payment is successful, the registration is complete and your account is activated. We will send an invoice to your chosen email, no paperwork required. Once your SKAi1 merchant profile is activated, the final step is choosing your marketing fee. This isn't an upfront cost. The fee is only applied when SKAi1 delivers you a successful sale. Your marketing fee helps determine how competitive your offer is within the SKAi1 ecosystem. A higher fee allows you to offer stronger cashback to customers and increase the overall attractiveness of your offer compared to other merchants. The fee is allocated to support customer cashback and performance-based marketing activity across the platform, aligning incentives around driving real, measurable results for your business. You stay fully in control and you can adjust your fee at any time as your goals or strategy evolve. And that's it. You're now ready to attract customers and activate your independent sales channels. Benvenuto in SKAi1 Merchant.